at the beginning of this chapter, we have done expanding of bracket, and then we have also expanded the product of algebraic expression, whereby we have done 3m squared, 8m squared plus 5m minus 8. We have expanded something like this, whereby when we expand this one, it will give us 24m to the power 4. Then this one times this one, we get 15m to the power 3. And then 3m squared times negative 8, we get negative 24m squared. Are we okay? So when we expand this one, we are getting this expression. Okay? And also, we have expanded the bracket like this. X minus 2. We have also expanded the bracket like this, whereby we are going to get x times x, we get x to the power 2, and then x times negative 2, we get negative 2x, and then 3 times x, we get plus 3x, and then 3 times negative 2, we get what? Negative 6. And then here, you can correct the right terms, right? And then it will be x to the power 2, and then negative 2 plus 3, we get negative 2 plus 3, we get positive, it's not positive 5. Negative x. Negative 2 plus 3x. Negative or positive? Positive x minus 6. Okay? We have expanded this, and then we have also expanded this. So factorization and B, factorization, factorizing is the reverse of expanding brackets. Factorizing is the reverse of expanding brackets. Okay? Now we have expanded this, and then it gave us this expression. So now, factorizing, if you factorize this one, it will bring us here. Eh? If you factorize this one, it will bring us here. If you expand this one, it will bring you here. So factorizing is the reverse of expanding bracket. You have expanded like this, then when you reverse it, you have factorized it. Same like here. So when you expand this, it will bring here. When you factorize this one, it will bring you here. When you factorize this one, it will bring you here. So when you expand this one, it will bring you there. Are you okay? Are you okay? All right. Now we are going to factorize this one. What? Okay, now let's factorize this one. We are going to factorize. We are given two terms here, né? So we have 16a squared b minus 24a to the power 4, b to the power 2, and then we have c. So for today, we are going to factorize by finding the highest common factor. Finding the highest common factor. Or a common factor. Do you know what a common factor? Factorizing by highest common factor. Are you okay? We are going to factorize by finding the highest common factor. Remember, I have told you that the numbers that have variables, we call them what? Coefficient, right? Coefficient. And this one we call them variables. Okay? We call this coefficient and then we call these variables. Right? Then we are going to factorize by finding the highest common factor. We have 16 and then we have 24. Let's first find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. Let's first find the common factor of 16 and 24. What are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Even the common factors we don't know. And then 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 6 is not going in. 6, 8, 12, and 24. Those are the factors of 24. Now let's find the highest common factor of 16 and 24. What is that? 8. That is the highest common factor of the coefficient. And then that highest common factor, you are putting it outside the what? Outside the bracket. We have only found the highest common factor of the numbers. First, let's go to the variables now. Let's find the highest common factor of the variables. How are we going to do it? Right. The highest common factor of the variables, what do we do? Remember we have term, this is term 1, this is term 2. Then we are going to look if this variables is also appearing in both terms. A is appearing in this term and is also appearing in this term. Are you okay? So if it's appearing in both terms, we are going to take the one with small exponent. We are going to take the one with small exponent, which is what? We are at A, we are not at B, we are at A first. Which one is the small exponent? A squared. Okay, then we go to B. B is also appearing in both terms. Now which one is having the low exponent or small exponent? B. Okay, now we have found the highest common factor. The highest common factor of the coefficient and the highest common factor of the variables. The highest common factor must be outside the bracket. Okay? Now, the expression inside the bracket, you will obtain it after you have divided each term with the highest common factor. Okay? Then we have 16a squared b minus 24a to the power 4, and then b squared, and then we have c. We want to get the expression that we are going to put inside the bracket. We said we are going to divide with the 8a squared, 8a squared, and then b, we are also going to divide 24a to the power 4, b to the power 2, c with our highest common factor. Did you get me? The expression inside the brackets is obtained when you divide each term with the highest common factor. Okay, now let's divide. I have 8a squared b. I want to get this expression inside the bracket. Then let's divide. 16 divided by 8, we get like this. What is this now? 2, ne? Okay, now I have taught you that when we are dividing variables, we are subtracting the exponent. Then a squared divided by a squared. Then we are going to subtract 2 minus what? This 2 here. 2 minus, so this one cancel. And then we have b divided by b. Remember, this one is raised to the power 1. This is also raised to the power 1. So 1 minus 1. This one also cancel. Are we okay? Now, we are going to this one. Then negative 24 divided by 8. Negative 24 divided by 8, we get negative what? Negative 3. Then we go to the variables. 8 to the power 4 divided by 8 to the power 2. Remember, we are subtracting the what? The exponent. Then we remain with 8 to the power 2. And then we have b to the power 2, b raised to the power 1. We are subtracting here. Then we remain with what? We remain with 1b. So this one, we just put it the same way, like that. So like this, we have factorized. It was like this at the beginning, now it's like this. Remember the example that I've given you, that we have expanded the bracket like this. And then it was like this, and then when you factorize it, it is like this. So that's why I said factorizing is the reverse. Factorizing is the reverse of what? Expanding brackets.